Hello, dramatic literature and script analysis students. This is a tutorial on how to use the Padlet, which is a tool we will be using for several assignments this semester. So here you are on this first assignment, the Introduce Yourself to the Community. After reading the instructions here carefully, you will scroll down and the Padlet is embedded right in the page. And you can see here the projects are already taking up the whole window, but you can just scroll across. There's a scroll bar at the bottom, or depending upon your mouse, if you have a scroller, and just find the next available section. And when you're ready to begin, click the plus button, put your name in the subject up here. So I know whose column this is. And now I'm going to show you some of the things that this Padlet can do. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to upload a file right from my computer. So you'll notice if you hover over these buttons here, they tell you what they do. This one will take a photo. This one will upload a file. This one will attach a link. This one will search for an image. And this one will open an interface with more options, which I'll show you later. So right now I'm going to click on this to upload a file. It opens up my Finder window. If you're on a Windows computer, it will look a little bit different. And I'm going to go to the folder. There's the image I've chosen. This is the new theater logo that I created for this year. It loads it in. I hit publish and boom, there it is. So that's how you upload an image or any kind of file from your computer. Now, if you're feeling a little cramped here, you can click on this logo, this image right up here. There we go. Now we've opened it in the new window. You can see my column is still here. I add the plus button, and this time I am going to add some text. So I've prepared a Word document that has the text on it that I'm going to cut and paste. So I'm going to just open up my document, select the text, copy it, and paste it right into the subject is the most visible, and publish. Of course, you could just type your own text in there. The next thing I'm going to show you is, let's put in some music. So I find the best place for music is YouTube, so I'm going to click on these three dots here, go to YouTube. You can use Spotify or any other music source you want. Let's go Ramones, Sedated. That's all we need for the search. There it is, Ramones, I Want to Be Sedated. Publish. And what's cool is it'll play it right here. I wanna be sedated. Next, I'm going to show you an image search. So I hit the plus. You'll notice it keeps adding to the bottom. I've set it up that way. So here's an image search. I found this image earlier, but I'm really interested in art on the US-Mexico border. And there's this particular image I found that I really, really love. So the search is US-Mexico border art picnic. And there's the image. It's got several versions of it. Let's choose that one. And we can publish it. Let's do one more item. And let's go, this is the most fun tool. You see here, I've clicked on the three dots, and then you see here this one that says I can't draw. You click on that, and this is an artificial intelligence text-to-image generator. So I'm going to type in fractals and particle collisions with musical instruments. You can type in anything your imagination can think of. It will take a moment to generate. And here we go. Those are pretty cool. Let's go with that one. And it goes right into the interface. You hit the publish and you're done. So now when it comes time to put comments on other people's columns, you're going to go to the column you want to comment on, hit the plus button. In the subject matter, type, I think, response rather than comment. Response and your name. And you write your response here. And then you can publish. And so make sure you look at least 3 columns, more if you'd like, and write some responses to folks' self-introductions. All right, have fun with the assignment, and that's it.